Do you believe the only path to building muscle, boosting recovery, or simply meeting your daily protein needs is through a scoop of chalky powder derived from milk? What if I told you that the vibrant, diverse world of whole foods offers not just an alternative, but a superior, more sustainable, and perhaps even more delicious route to achieving that crucial 25-gram protein target, all without a single drop of whey? Prepare to have your assumptions challenged and your culinary horizons dramatically expanded. In this deep dive, we're going to shatter the myth that whey protein is the undisputed king of the protein world. We'll unveil a treasure trove of readily available, nutrient-dense whole foods that deliver a powerful protein punch, often accompanied by a host of other beneficial vitamins, minerals, and fiber that synthetic supplements simply can't replicate. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with practical, science-backed strategies to effortlessly hit your protein goals, enhance your health, and diversify your diet in ways you never thought possible, leaving you feeling more energized, satisfied, and truly nourished. The allure of whey protein is undeniable. It's convenient, highly bioavailable, and widely marketed as the gold standard for muscle protein synthesis. For many, the idea of getting 25 grams of protein without it seems like a daunting, perhaps even impossible, task. But this perception, while common, is a significant misconception that overlooks the incredible diversity and potency of natural food sources. The truth is, our ancestors thrived and built robust physiques long before the advent of protein powders, relying solely on the bounty of the earth and animals. The key lies in understanding where to look and how to combine these powerful foods strategically. Imagine your plate not as a chore, but as a culinary canvas, where each ingredient contributes to a masterpiece of nutrition. The first major revelation for many is the sheer protein density of many animal-based whole foods. Think about it. A single 4-ounce, approximately 113-gram, serving of cooked chicken breast doesn't just contain protein. It boasts a substantial 35 grams, far exceeding our 25-gram target in one go. This isn't just about raw numbers, it's about the quality. Chicken, like other animal proteins, is a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot synthesize on its own and must obtain from your diet. These amino acids are the fundamental building blocks for everything from muscle repair and growth to enzyme production and hormone synthesis. It's like having all the necessary tools in your toolkit to build and repair every part of your body. Similarly, a modest 3-ounce, around 85-gram, serving of lean beef or pork delivers a solid 25 grams of protein, hitting our target precisely. Even fattier cuts of meat, while higher in calories, still offer significant protein contributions. The beauty of these options is their versatility. They can be grilled, baked, stir-fried, stewed. The possibilities are endless, allowing for culinary creativity that keeps your meals exciting and prevents dietary boredom. But what if meat isn't your preference, or you're looking to diversify your protein sources even further? The ocean offers an equally impressive array of protein powerhouses. A 4-ounce serving of salmon, renowned for its healthy fats, also provides around 25 grams of protein. Tuna, whether canned or fresh, is another champion, with a 3-ounce serving offering about 22 grams. Even smaller fish like sardines, often overlooked, pack a surprising punch, with a can providing around 20-25 grams. The added bonus with fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and mackerel, is the abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and cardiovascular well-being. This is where whole foods truly outshine isolated protein supplements. They offer a symphony of nutrients working synergistically, rather than just a single isolated compound. It's like comparing a full orchestra to a solo instrument. Both are good, but one offers a far richer, more complete experience. Moving beyond muscle and fin, the humble egg emerges as an incredibly versatile and potent protein source. Often dubbed nature's perfect food, one large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, meaning just 4 large eggs can get you to 24 grams. This makes them an incredibly accessible and affordable option for breakfast, lunch, or even a quick dinner. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or as an omelet with vegetables, eggs offer a complete amino acid profile and a wealth of vitamins and minerals like choline, critical for brain function. The twist here is that for decades, eggs were unfairly demonized due to concerns about dietary cholesterol. However, modern scientific consensus has largely debunked this fear for most healthy individuals, reaffirming eggs as a nutritional powerhouse. This turnaround highlights the dynamic nature of nutritional science and the importance of staying updated with authentic information. Dairy products, for those who tolerate them, are another excellent non-whey protein source. A cup of Greek yogurt, for instance, typically contains a remarkable 15-20 grams of protein, often with the added benefit of probiotics for gut health. Cottage cheese is another winner, with about 25 grams of protein per cup. Milk itself, while lower in concentration, still contributes about 8 grams per cup. These dairy options are incredibly versatile, perfect for smoothies, as a base for savory dips, or simply enjoyed on their own. They offer a creamy texture and a satisfying richness that can elevate many meals. Now, for those embracing plant-based diets, or simply looking to reduce their reliance on animal products, the idea of hitting 25 grams of protein without whey might seem like the ultimate challenge. This is where the true brilliance and diversity of the plant kingdom shine. Lentils, often overlooked, are a protein powerhouse. A single cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein, along with an impressive amount of fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Combined with a serving of whole grains like quinoa, which itself offers 8 grams per cooked cup, and is a complete protein, you can easily exceed your target. Imagine a hearty lentil soup with a side of quinoa, and you've got a protein-packed meal that's both nutritious and delicious. Black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are similarly rich in protein, typically offering 15 grams per cooked cup. While most individual plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they lack one or more of the essential amino acids, the beauty of a diverse plant-based diet is that by combining different sources throughout the day, you effortlessly achieve a complete amino acid profile. This concept, known as protein complementarity, means you don't need to eat them all in the same meal. Your body is smart enough to combine the amino acids over a 24-hour period. This is the intelligent twist that many people miss when considering plant-based protein. It's not about one magical superfood, but about the synergy of various plant powerhouses. Tofu and tempeh, derived from soybeans, are incredibly versatile and protein-dense plant-based options. A 4-ounce serving of firm tofu delivers around 10 grams of protein, while tempeh, a fermented soybean product, offers an even more impressive 19 grams for the same serving size. These can be marinated, stir-fried, baked, or crumbled into dishes, absorbing flavors beautifully and providing a satisfying texture. Edamame, the young green soybeans, are also fantastic, with about 18 grams of protein per cup. Even certain vegetables contribute significantly. A large baked potato, for instance, contains about 8 grams of protein, and a cup of broccoli boasts 4 grams. While not enough on their own to hit 25 grams, they add valuable incremental protein to meals. Nuts and seeds are another secret weapon. A quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides 8 grams of protein, while almonds offer about 6 grams. Peanut butter, often a staple, contains roughly 8 grams per 2 tablespoon serving. Spreading peanut butter on whole grain toast has protein too. With a glass of soy milk, 8 grams per cup, is a simple way to hit 25 grams without batting an eye. Nutritional yeast, a cheesy tasting seasoning, often provides 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons and can be sprinkled over almost anything. Consider the power of a single meal. A large tuna salad sandwich on whole wheat bread, tuna, 22 grams, bread, 6 grams, with a side of Greek yogurt, 15 grams. That's well over 40 grams of protein in one sitting. Or, for a plant-based option, a generous bowl of lentil and vegetable curry served with quinoa, lentils, 18 grams, quinoa, 8 grams, topped with some roasted pumpkin seeds, 8 grams. Again, well over 30 grams. The secret is not about finding one miraculous non-whey food, but about intelligently combining and portioning various whole food sources throughout your day. It's about understanding that a piece of chicken isn't just protein, it's also B vitamins, iron, and zinc. A serving of lentils isn't just protein, it's also fiber, folate, and potassium. This holistic approach ensures you're not just meeting a macro target but nourishing your body with a broad spectrum of essential nutrients, leading to greater overall health and sustained energy. The payoff is not just hitting a number, but experiencing enhanced satiety, stable blood sugar, improved muscle repair, and a more vibrant, resilient body, all while enjoying delicious, diverse foods. It's time to break free from the protein powder paradigm and embrace the incredible power of real food. Start experimenting with these diverse protein sources in your meals. Track your intake for a few days to see how easily you can reach and even exceed your 25-gram goal without relying on supplements. Explore new recipes, get creative in the kitchen, and discover the joy of truly nourishing your body from the ground up. The journey to optimal protein intake doesn't require a shaker bottle. It requires an open mind and a plate full of possibility.